This lesson will describe the selection of parameters in the Mapping Reporting menu. To get to the Mapping Reporting menu, click on the Reporting button in the main menu and then the Mapping button in the Reporting menu. The selection criteria parameters available will depend on the report that is selected. The available parameters can be seen here. The first we'll look at is gear. Here we can select from long line, purse seine and pole and line. The next parameter is nationality. This can be one of three choices, depending on which fleet category you wish to map data for. Please refer to the lesson describing the national fleet if you need more information on that. The next parameter is time. This option allows you to select the period, year, to map data and how to aggregate the data. Selecting a time breakdown by year and quarter, or indeed year and month, will provide a map for each quarter or month, depending on the selection. The area option is used to map reports that provide a map of distribution or aggregation of catch or effort by area. The user has the option to select the data to be aggregated and mapped at a resolution of 1 degree by 1 degree squares, which is finer, or 5 degree by 5 degree squares, which is coarser. Catch effort. The user has the option of mapping either effort, catch and number, or catch and weight. If catch and weight or catch and number is selected, then the user can choose one or several species to map. If more than one species is selected, then the resulting map will show pies of species catch composition, with each pie slice representing respective species catch. Vessel and trip dates. The user has the option in some reports to select a specific vessel trip to map the cruise tracks or telex positions. In this respect, the user will be asked to complete fields for vessel name and trip date, and these fields must be filled in. There is the option to include a map title on the map by filling in the parameter field at the bottom right of this screen. As in the other reporting menu screens, some fields must have an entry. If you do not fill in some fields, then an error message is displayed when selecting to produce map. For example, if I select to produce the map without selecting the company nationality, then the system will display an error message telling the user to complete the company nationality or flag field, as you can see here. Once all the parameters have been entered, the user can select to produce map, and the data are extracted and mapped via the MapInfo software. See the lessons on each specific mapping report for examples of producing maps. That concludes this lesson.